In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps you'll need to take to successfully set up this integration. First off, it's important to know that the integration with Slack is available on every ClickUp plan. However, you should be aware of a few limitations. A single ClickUp workspace can only connect to one Slack workspace at a time, while a Slack workspace can connect with multiple ClickUp workspaces. Additionally, keep in mind that only workspace owners and admins can enable this integration. Guests and limited members will not have access. Let's get started with setting up the integration with Slack. The first step is to enable the ClickUp activity sync with Slack. Once you've established your personal connection, you'll be able to sync ClickUp spaces, folders, and lists with public or private Slack channels. If you're working with a workspace connection, keep in mind that you can sync only with public channels at this stage. Next, you will want to choose the Slack channels you want to notify and customize your messages accordingly. It's important to note that only the creator of the workspace connection can set up new locations for ClickUp activity messages. Admins and owners cannot add new locations. However, they can map existing messages to additional ClickUp spaces, folders, or lists. Now let's get into customizing your ClickUp notifications in Slack. You can select which specific task and doc actions trigger Slack notifications, which can be quite handy for streamlining your workflow. Another great feature is connected search, which allows for searching Slack messages. When setting up your Slack workspace connection, you can manually select the specific public channels you want to include for connected search. An option also exists to select all public channels if you prefer. Once everything is set up, all workspace members will have the ability to search for messages from the chosen channels dating back 1 year. For example, if you connect ClickUp with Slack on June 2024, you can retrieve messages from June 1st, 2023, and onward. Keep in mind that the indexing process can take up to 24 hours, so you might want to check the progress from the AI command bar until it's complete. After the link is established, you can expect to see previews in Slack whenever you post a task comment, or even a doc link. You'll get to see details like task statuses, assignees, and priorities. However, be mindful that links to private ClickUp tasks or docs will be visible to everyone in the channel, so use them wisely. If you notice that you're not seeing ClickUp items unfurl in Slack, double-check your Slack settings to see if link previews are enabled for ClickUp. You also have the ability to create tasks right from Slack. How convenient is that? You can add a Slack message as a comment to an existing task or even send messages to super agents. After you connect your account, you can fully leverage Slack tools with ClickUp AI. To make it even better, if you want super agents to search conversations from your connected Slack, you'll need to activate external search for Slack in their profile. Lastly, you can create Slack automations to send messages in Slack or trigger actions in ClickUp, enhancing your productivity even further. There are also Slack-related ClickUp AI tools you can use once the integration is complete, such as the ability to send a message. And there you have it. Now you know how to integrate ClickUp with Slack. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like. Happy integrating!